so tired. Oh, hey guys, Jake's Gamer here. But
guys, I can't walk.
Can't do anything. Oh. I need to sit in the sofa or on the floor. What?
An old football boot box.
Put it. Guys, we're back. Cool little intro there.
It used to be my brother's. That's why it's broken.
Addidas box with these inside. Yeah. So see, $22.99. Yeah, size 5. Broken. Wow. And these boots, they're not really new, but kind of new. It's broken a little bit here.
Bruh.
So let's just put these bad boys on. Then you guys can look at this one. Jigs Gaming is holding the camera right now.
Hey guys.
Yeah, take a look.
My PS Vita just made some noise.
Ah! Okay, let me just wear this one. Yeah, let's see when we kick the ball, see if it feels good. Oh man, that feels so good. Oh my gosh.
Zoom in action.
Okay. And we're going to do passing. So, Jake's Gaming gave space.
Need to get my shoes on.
Yeah.
Why did Jake's Gaming zoom in on the ball?
We're just going to do passing. So yeah, start off.
Bruh.
Feels really good. And Jake's Gaming's here with his boots. You can take a look at them.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Mikey. Well, Joel's going to do some skills now.
Yep. Guys, so here's just the last review of the boot. So you see, it's like dots here, across the Addidas line strip thing. A little bit broken here, a little bit dirty here. Then bottom, Addidas sign right here, and Adidas sign right here, and like some here, then like little stripes here. Pause it. Guys, we're back. Hope you enjoyed my vid about these boots. Take a look again. pink laces at the back and the signs. So all thanks to Sports Direct for giving me these boots. So yeah, peace.